Hey guys, it's Pam here from Travel with Pam. Let's walk through Sandton.
Exchange Square, the JSE, Johannesburg Stock Exchange. Let's take a walk. A tour of the environs of the Johannesburg Stock Exchange and surrounding property and buildings. Here we have the Deutsche Bank. Number 2 Exchange Square, the address of the stock exchange. Let's take a look through the trees and see what we can see. Great observation deck here, overlooking the street. You can see the Balalaika Hotel, the Bull Run restaurant attached to it. If you look very carefully, you can see a raging bull outside the Bull Run. The legal firm. Streets are pretty quiet. It's a Sunday, not many people about. Over in the distance we can see the Michelangelo Hotel, residential hotel. Here we have a very interesting bench. It looks a bit like an engine. I guess it's perhaps foot powered, maybe. Gears underneath. Gears over there too. It's like some sort of weapon as well. See one of Sandton's high-rise buildings, the tallest building in Sandton at the moment. So much construction going on here, I'm not sure if it will remain the tallest building in Sandton. Well, it remains to be seen. Let's carry on with our walk. Going down Maud Street.